Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Well, as you know, we often get requests for information from our subscribers who are thinking about purchasing properties here where Villa Feliz was built, our backyard, so to say. So, as a courtesy to our subscribers, normally what I will do is I will go out, I will look at the property, and what I'll do is I'll do a drone overview. Well, just recently, one of our subscribers asked about two properties they were interested in, and I had a great opportunity to meet up with the preferred sales agent for our subdivision as well, and we'll put a link at the end of today's episode, so if you're interested in this property or more properties around, you can contact him yourself directly. Well, anyway, today we're going to look at over in phase 2 where Villa Feliz is built. We're going to be looking at block 17, and we're going to be looking at two specific properties. It's going to be lot number 27 here and lot number 25. We'll skip one lot, we'll go to one more lot over here. I think the one in between, I'm not sure if it's sold or if it's available at this time, so the two lots that the subscriber is interested in are the two on both sides of lot 26 here. We'll do a drone overview, we will do a street drone flyby, and we'll do a bird's eye view as well. So anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, if you are interested in any properties in this subdivision, or maybe anything locally around in the Lipa City area, please contact me and I will put you in contact with the preferred sales agent, or you can contact him directly from the information I put in today's description block. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's overview. These are two nice properties right here. Nice high elevation. A good opportunity for anything if you want to do like a basement in the back and you need any type of water runoff. It goes right into the dry riverbed behind and outside the perimeter fence over here, and its phase suit's very nice. It's very quiet, and the rolling hills just make for a very nice walk for some exercise. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little MyPI Dream heart bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from here in the Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.